All right, Improvisation Center back again with another quick video. This one is going to be on setting up our Tumbler Composter. As you can see, this thing is just laying here on its side. We moved it from the other end of the garden way out over there and brought it over here because it's next to the dog kennel greenhouse and it'll be more conveniently used over here than way over there where I showed you, because all our raised beds and stuff are over here. And of course, as this area gets covered with gravel, we'll set up even more stuff along this fence line too, but that's neither here nor there. In order to set this composter up, we need a slab. That's where that comes in. Just a simple 2x4 frame nailed together, laying on an already graveled surface. So we didn't need any paver gravel, but that'll be a simple thing. Just mix up a bunch of concrete, pour it into the frame, smooth it out on top, let it cure, and then after it's cured, I'm going to take this square, diamond, however you want to look at it, square, diamond, whatever. That is basically a template for the legs on the composter right here. They bolt down to whatever surface you mount this thing on. So to help make it easier, I just made a little template that's got the spacing of the holes right enough so when I sink some anchors down, I could sit this thing right on top, bolt it down, and not worry about the legs being cockeyed or just spending a bunch of time trying to line everything up after the fact. I do this stuff and make the whole process go by a lot smoother. So with our frame and template made, the next thing we're going to be doing is mixing and pouring concrete. So that is coming up right now. see here, we got our composter mounted on the slab. After it cured, I was able to do that safely, knowing that we're not going to pull the studs out of the concrete. Move the boards away as well. You can see a little bit of the dried up overflow of concrete around the thing. That's all right. It'll help stabilize the ground that much better, but that's neither here or there. But you could see on the slab, on the studs here, I had to add a bunch of washers because the only bolts that I had that were suitable for use in this thickness of concrete were actually a little too long, but that's fine. I added a bunch of washers as spacers on top of the legs of the composter, put nuts on there, got it down pretty good. This really ain't going nowhere. All that crap you see right there is actually leaky stuff that was in the composter when we set it up. So yep, it leaked out on there. It looks nasty. It's not as bad as it really is, but the composter is nice and sturdy now. You can actually spin this thing around if you want to tumble it and mix everything up inside. Or, as we got it right now, I just left it open because it's not really full yet. But get that now, and you can see you could tumble it over. So our composter is set up, done, in use, right where we wanted it, next to all our planters and everything, instead of way on the other end of the yard where we initially had it, laying on the ground. That's one more project we can knock off the list. So until the next time, you know what to do. All the likes, subscribe, notifications, check out the website, all that good stuff, see what else we're getting into around here. And I will catch you later.